Welcome back to Stirring Success, the EvenMix podcast, the show where we dig into the real science, strategy, and solutions behind industrial mixing. I'm glad you are here today because we are talking about something that quietly costs facilities thousands of dollars every single year, and most operators do not even realize it is happening. We are talking about rigid, single-purpose mixing equipment that cannot adapt as your operation evolves. Today, we are breaking down why modular mixing systems are not just a nice-to-have upgrade. They are a smarter, long-term investment. And by the time we are done, you will understand exactly how flexible industrial mixers deliver better ROI across time, labor, energy, and equipment costs. Let us get into it.
Let us start with a question. What actually makes a mixing system modular? Because that word gets thrown around a lot, and it deserves a real answer. A modular mixing system is an industrial mixer built from interchangeable components. We are talking about three core elements working together. The drive, which is your power center combining the motor and gearbox into one compact energy-efficient unit. The shaft and blade sets, which can be customized in length and configured with multiple blades using folding blade technology. And the mount, which is what connects your mixer to whatever container you are working with. Now here's where it gets interesting. Each of those components works independently, but together they create a system that adapts to your operation instead of locking you into a single setup. That distinction matters enormously when you start doing the math on long-term costs. At EvenMix, modularity is not an add-on feature. It is the foundation of how every mixing system is designed, and that philosophy shows up across every specification. Let us look at some of those numbers. EvenMix modular mixing systems handle viscosities from near zero all the way up to 20,000 plus centipoise. They draw approximately 4 amps on a standard duty digital drive, which is roughly the same as a home ceiling fan. Users consistently report up to 50% reduction in mixing time. The systems are designed for single-person operation, and they are compatible with 55-gallon drums, IBC totes, stainless steel mixing tanks, and custom fabricated vessels. That last point is worth expanding on because container compatibility is where a lot of mixing operations run into serious problems. Most industrial mixing systems are built with a specific container type in mind. You buy a mixer for your IBC totes and it works great right up until you start running product in a custom stainless steel tank or an open-top vessel. Then you are back to square one, purchasing new equipment, waiting on lead times, and absorbing costs that should not have been necessary in the first place. EvenMix solves this with custom mixing solutions that work across both standard and fabricated containers. The same drive unit that powers your IBC tote mixer can be reconfigured for a 55-gallon drum or a large open-top custom tank. You are not buying a new system, you are swapping components. For stainless steel mixing tanks and other non-standard vessels, shaft lengths, blade configurations, and mounts can all be tailored without redesigning the entire mixer. That is real flexibility with real financial consequences. Now let us talk about variable viscosity mixing because this is another area where facilities quietly burn money on redundant equipment. Industrial operations rarely mix just one type of product. You might be running a water-thin solution in the morning and a heavy paste or slurry in the afternoon. Traditionally, that means having dedicated mixers for each viscosity range. That is more equipment to purchase, more to maintain, more floor space consumed, and more operational complexity. EvenMix eliminates that problem. The adjustable shaft lengths, multiple blade sets per shaft, and proven folding blade technology combine to create full three-dimensional mixing flow across a wide viscosity range. One system from near zero to 20,000 plus centipoise. One platform, multiple products and processes. Speaking of folding blade technology, let us spend a moment there because it is central to what makes EvenMix perform the way it does. The blades are designed to collapse for insertion into standard container openings, then expand once submerged inside the vessel. That expansion creates what EvenMix calls 3D mixing flow, which means circulation is happening throughout the entire container, not just in a narrow column from top to bottom. Dead zones are eliminated, coverage is complete, and that directly translates into faster, more consistent mixing results. And faster is significant. When we say up to 50% reduction in mixing time, we are not talking about a marginal efficiency gain. We are talking about fundamentally changing your batch turnaround speed. That means more throughput, more consistent product homogeneity, less rework from incomplete blending, and lower per batch energy consumption because the mixer is running for less time per cycle. When you combine shorter mixing cycles with a 4 amp power draw, the energy savings compound quickly. Facilities that have made the switch report meaningful reductions in electrical costs compared to traditional high amperage mixers. And for operations with limited available power infrastructure, that low draw also means greater flexibility in where and how you deploy your mixing equipment. Now let us talk about something that does not always show up on a spec sheet, but absolutely shows up on a labor budget. Single-person operation. Older industrial mixers frequently require forklifts, hoists, or multiple operators just to move and install them. That is coordination time, equipment time, and risk, all added into every single mixing cycle. EvenMix modular mixing systems are lightweight, portable, and designed to be moved from container to container by one operator without heavy equipment. One person can manage multiple totes in the time it used to take a team to set up a single mixer. That labor savings adds up fast across a full production week. Let us bring all of this together from a financial perspective, because ROI is ultimately what we are here to talk about. When you evaluate modular mixing systems against the full cost picture, the value shows up across multiple categories. Time savings of up to 50% per mixing cycle, labor savings from single-person operation, energy savings from the 4 amp draw combined with reduced cycle time, equipment savings because one system works across multiple container types, and future-proofing because as your processes, products, and vessels change, your EvenMix system adapts with simple component swaps instead of requiring new capital investment. That last point deserves emphasis. Industries change, product lines expand, facilities upgrade their containers, regulatory requirements shift. A mixing system that cannot grow with your operation becomes a liability. A modular mixing system becomes an asset that compounds value over time. Before we move to our close, let us quickly cover a few questions that come up regularly around EvenMix systems. People often ask whether modular mixers can work with custom tanks. The answer is yes. EvenMix works with standard containers and custom fabricated vessels. Shaft lengths, blade configurations, and mounts can all be tailored to non-standard setups. People ask about the viscosity range. Again, near zero up to 20,000 plus centipoise. Most industrial mixing applications fall within that range, and a single EvenMix system covers the full spectrum. People ask about energy use. The standard duty digital drive draws approximately 4 amps. That is one of the lowest power draws available in industrial mixing equipment, and the compounding effect on operating costs over months and years is substantial. And people ask about folding blade technology specifically. Those blades collapse for insertion, expand inside the container, and create full 3-dimensional coverage. That is how EvenMix eliminates dead zones and achieves consistent homogeneity across the entire vessel.
Here's the bottom line. Flexibility in industrial mixing is not just a convenience. It is a competitive advantage. When your mixing system can adapt to different containers, different viscosities, and evolving processes without requiring new capital investment every time something changes, you are operating with a structural cost advantage over facilities that are locked into rigid single-purpose equipment. Modular mixing systems from EvenMix are built to grow with your operation, reduce overhead across time, labor, and energy, and deliver consistent results across a wide range of applications. That is not just an upgrade. That is a smarter long-term strategy. If you want to see how EvenMix can work in your facility, head over to evenmix.com. Explore the full product line, dig into the specs, or reach out directly to talk through your specific application. The team is ready to help you find the right configuration for exactly what you are mixing. Thank you for spending this time with us on Stirring Success, the EvenMix podcast. If this episode brought value to your operation, share it with a colleague who is still running rigid mixing equipment and watching their costs climb. We will be back soon with more insight, more solutions, and more ways to help you mix smarter. Until next time, keep stirring.